How to use virtual data room software. A virtual data room is a secure cloud-based repository used to store, access, and share confidential documents with multiple partners and stakeholders. Some option who may be in a remote location external to your organization. This collaboration process is common for financing proposal, audit compliance and regulatory proposal, creation of internal policies and procedure in a host of that project. In to make case of the collaboration are using popular software like Office 365 and its what Excel or PowerPoint application. How built in the secure in this document. This fact in this confidential document are valuable of hacking, particularly during the items collaboration process. The good news of that ShareBolt has developed a secure online environment for receiving confidential document and protocol to ensure that document remains secure during the collaboration process. Following the 5 easy steps below the ensure safe collaboration. Number 1, get organization and set permission. Designed a virtual data room system administrator using the project team's leader. He or she will do the preliminary step of naming the organization folder. Now the folder are ready for a document upload. The administrator sets up the list of users and defined the access and users permission. ShareBolt provided the system administrator with simple interface to make a list of users and individual and or groups and to set their access permission. Access control include password. ShareBolt security requirement, two-factor authenticator, naming a user first enter the password and they receive a text message within a unique code that must be entered in the order to protect one the password to confirm he or she has access based on his her user's permissions. Access designer use can have access to all or to select folder and files. Policies. ShareBolt policies full configurable files, security politics, allowing administrator of easily defined to approach level of files protection. For each policy, administrator can specify whether user have been right to print, save, copy, paste text, capture the screen and to who is if any. A watermark should be applied in addition you can specify and absolute relevant expiration data and more flexible than internal blueprint and save level productivity by a typical virtual data rooms.